Hey guys, here's your instructions on how to use the phone in Griffin's room. The first thing you have to make sure is you're on one of the two profiles. Either you got the regular generic fish prod show or the voice tracking one. Either one will put the VX prod #1 here on the board. So make sure that you're on that last channel there, that you've got at least channels 1 and 2 punched in over here, and we have it on and potted up. That will bring the phone through the board. Now let's go to the VX phone system. And as I mentioned before, the left-hand side of bank is what you use to answer through the headset. The right-hand side is what goes through the board. And you can see right there, it went right through the board, no problem. Now here's one of the pitfalls that could happen. You have to make sure that you're in talent mode, and I'll show you why. So if we press menu, and then you see mode as #3 here, and right now it says talent. If I were to switch that to producer, which means you're producing a show, press menu again. Now when I go to press these buttons, nothing's gonna happen. None of the phone numbers are gonna make it through, right? You have to make sure that you are in producer or in talent mode. So what you do is go back to menu, on mode, #3, press it. So now you're back to talent mode again. Press the menu to turn it off. And now as you see, it all goes through. No problem whatsoever. The other thing is you have several banks of numbers to choose from. So this happens to be the producer room. So if you go into menu and you can select show #4, well, now you can decide. Do you want to be #2, which is fish production, that's Griffin's room, or you could actually be the on air. So like if we press #8 now, you can see all the lines that we normally have on the air are there. If you want to use the special producer phone number that we have for interviews, which is really a nice feature that we have, you press menu, go back to select show, this one here, fish producer. And now you can see a special interview line, and I'll put that phone number on the email that goes along with this. But there's a special phone number just for the interviews. And by the way, you can also use this to call out any of these numbers, and then just press the number you want, and it will call and go through the board. So there you go. There's your quick overview, just to make sure that you are getting your call through the board in Griffin's room.